Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine. And so let's go, we did a tune-up to this machine, and so let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see there's a small leak from the boiler here. It won't hurt anything, but we asked the customer if they wanted us to address this issue, and they said no. It takes a long time to address this seal because you have to take the entire machine apart. It's not easy like there's another model of Zacconi like this one over here. It has the bolts on the front, so all you have to do is take the bolts off and you can replace the seal easily. But this one you have to take the whole tank apart, so that's unfortunate. Otherwise it's working well. Let's check the steam. Good steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.